Meaning of Jerome Kern.
Jerome Kern.
Jerome Kern.
Jerome Kern.
Jerome Kern. Jerome Kern was an American composer of musical theater and popular music who lived from 1885 to 1945. He is best known for his contributions to the Great American Songbook, having written many classic songs such as Longman River, The Way You Look Tonight, and Smoke Gets in Your Eyes. Kern's music was known for its memorable melodies and sophisticated harmonies and helped shape the sound of American popular music in the early 20th century. He was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 1970.